And she hollered at me.
Hey guys.
Put your dog on a leash.
Hey.
Yeah, like I would be dragging behind him. Molly, go outside.
Hi, Tina. How are you doing? Oh, good. I know, right?
He's got the cute.
No, we'll just deliver this tomorrow. We'll just do some stuff today.
Hey, Molly. Hey, Reno.
Oh, you want this? You want this? This came in our mail from Animal Hospital.
Hey guys.
Oh yeah, I got one. I guess I could use two. Hey. That's what I should do. Get Reno's neck shots there. That would save half my money. I got one. But
hey, Molly. Hey. Hey.
one coupon for client, so I need to say that somewhere.
Oh, yeah, I don't know.
Come on, come on.
You're just too lonely all day. You never come up.
Wow. Oh man, right in the nose.
Not me, well, shall we try going down for a walk? Maybe that lady and her dog. Hey!
So somebody actually said, "Why don't you put a leash on it?"
Yeah, she goes, hey, put your dog on a leash. And I just ignored her. I'm not going to put these dogs on a leash. If I had my face in the dirt, they'd be dragging me. Besides, they need to run.
I know.
She's not, this is my street. This is her street. She can go back to her street. That's what I should have said. Hey, get back on your own block.
Oh, she was in up on this block then?
Down here at the corner.
Oh, yeah, so she can't say anything.
I was crying. Hey.
Some people are just so nasty. They have dogs, but they're not dog lovers.
Ooh.
I
You can always tell a person who's really not a dog lover because you never see their dog outside.
I know.
They're always,
That's true.
Well, you got lots of room here, don't
I
you?
know. It's like the arena.
They're showing off for you.
We know they're on camera.
Sitting on, man.
Hey, Molly, let Reno have a turn.
Rio's trying
Sometimes
to
she gets a little rough and lets out a little bit.